for you. Today I'm going to show you how to create a particle text animation like this in After Effects. In this tutorial, I use Trapcode Glow and also Trapcode Shine plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to text and type your text, and I'll type graphic for you. Then I'll press S to increase my text. Then I'll go to align to put this text into the middle. And if you don't see a line here, you can go to window and check a line from here. Okay, now I'll go to effect, simulation, and I'll choose CC pixel poly. Okay, and let me see this. Yeah. Okay, now I'll go to gravity and I'll change it to minus 0.30. Also, direction randomness, I'll change it to 22.5, and speed randomness, I'll change it to 87.5, and grid spacing, I'll change it to 2. Okay, now let me see this. Yeah. Okay, now I'll go to first frame and I'll keyframe on for center. Then I'll go just 1 second forward and I'll change X position to 90, 20. And let me see this. Okay. Now I'll go to effect, stylize and glow. And I'll change glow threshold to 40. Also glow intensity, I'll change it to 3. And I'll go to glow colors and I'll change it to A and B colors. And now I'll choose my colors. I'll choose yellow and red. Okay. Yeah. Now I'll go to effect, Trapcode again, and star glow. Okay, first I'll go to boot slide and I'll change it to 1.5. Okay, and also I'll go to color map A and I'll change it to desert sun. Like this. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, now I'll stop here when these particles disappear. Okay, and I'll press N. Okay, then I'll go here and right click, then I'll choose trim comp to work area like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll create a new composition and I'll name it render. 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 Okay, then hit OK. Then I'll add a new solid and I'll name it background. Then hit OK. Go to effect, generate, and I'll choose gradient ramp, set linear ramp to radial, and choose your colors. I'll choose this one and black. Then I'll go here and let me name this one text. Okay, and I'll take or drag my text and drop here. Okay, let me go to text, right click, and I'll go to time and I'll choose time reverse layer and see this. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, double click and I'll go to my text and also let me name it text. Okay, and Control C to copy, then I'll go to render and Control V, then I'll drag this layer here. Okay, then I'll go to effect and I will remove all these effects and let me see this. Yeah. Okay, now Control D to copy, then I'll go to effect Trapcode and I'll choose Shine. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go here and let me change ray length to maybe 5. Yeah, and also put slide, I'll change it to 3. Yeah, and I'll press T for opacity and keyframe. Then I'll go a few frames forward and I'll change it to 0. And let me see this. Yeah. Okay, this is very good. Okay, now I'll add a new layer again. Sorry, new solid, and let me name it lens layer. And I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type layer. Let me add E here and drag and drop, and I'll move this layer maybe something like this, and I'll change normal to screen. Okay, and I'll go to flares brightness, I'll change it to 0 and I'll keyframe here, then I'll go few seconds or few frames forward and I'll change it, and I'll change it to 125, then again few frames forward and I'll change it to 0. And let me see this. This is very good. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.